In the annals of human history, few events stand as tall as the Apollo 11 moon landing. This momentous achievement, etched in our collective memory, has been celebrated as a testament to human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of exploration. Yet even as we commemorate this milestone, a persistent undercurrent of skepticism continues to ripple through the fabric of our understanding. Was the moon landing truly the pinnacle of human achievement, or could it be a carefully constructed illusion designed to project an image of power and progress to the world? The moon landing, a triumph broadcasted live to millions across the globe, was a beacon of hope and inspiration during a time of geopolitical turmoil. It solidified the United States' position as a technological superpower, showcasing its dominance in the space race against the Soviet Union. But was this seemingly impossible feat too good to be true? As we delve deeper into the photographic evidence, witness accounts, and scientific anomalies surrounding this historic event, a tapestry of doubt begins to unravel, leaving us to question the authenticity of this pivotal moment in human history. The image of Buzz Aldrin saluting the American flag, planted firmly on the desolate lunar surface, is etched in our collective memory. Yet, upon closer examination, inconsistencies emerge, casting a long shadow of doubt over the authenticity of this iconic image. Could this be the smoking gun that unravels the carefully constructed narrative of the moon landing, or are these anomalies merely the product of conspiracy-fueled imaginations? The answer, my friends, lies shrouded in a veil of secrecy, hidden within the corridors of power, leaving us to grapple with the unsettling possibility that history, as we know it, may be a carefully crafted illusion. Skeptics often point to the peculiar behavior of light and shadow in the lunar photographs as evidence of foul play. The parallel shadows cast by the astronauts and objects on the moon's surface suggest an artificial light source, inconsistent with the sun's distant illumination. In a genuine lunar environment, the curvature of the moon and the vast distance of the sun should produce shadows that converge at a vanishing point. This discrepancy, argue the skeptics, suggests that the images were staged within a controlled studio setting designed to mimic the lunar landscape. Another point of contention arises from the American flag fluttering in the windless vacuum of space. The image of the flag proudly waving in the breeze, seemingly defying the laws of physics, has become a focal point for those who question the landing's authenticity. While NASA has attributed this anomaly to the flagpole's telescopic design, intended to create the illusion of a billowing flag, skeptics remain unconvinced. They argue that the intricate movements of the flag, seemingly responding to a non-existent breeze, point to a fundamental flaw in the official narrative. Furthermore, the absence of a blast crater beneath the lunar module, a seemingly impossible oversight, has fueled speculation about the landing's authenticity. The powerful descent engines of the lunar module, responsible for slowing the craft's descent and ensuring a soft landing, should have left a discernible mark on the lunar surface. Yet the photographs reveal no such disturbance, leaving skeptics to wonder if the module was gently placed on the surface rather than landing under its own power. This glaring inconsistency, coupled with the other photographic anomalies, casts a long shadow of doubt over the official narrative of the moon landing. Adding fuel to the fire are the testimonies of alleged insiders and whistleblowers who claim to possess first-hand knowledge of a staged moon landing. These individuals, often dismissed as conspiracy theorists or attention seekers, maintain that the Apollo missions were elaborate hoaxes, orchestrated to achieve political and technological objectives. Their accounts, though often lacking in concrete evidence, provide a tantalizing glimpse into a world of secrecy and deception where truth is a fluid concept molded to fit the agendas of those in power. One such whistleblower, a former NASA employee, claims to have witnessed the fabrication of the moon landing footage. He alleges that the iconic images of Neil Armstrong's first steps on the moon were actually filmed on a sound stage, using advanced filmmaking techniques to simulate the lunar environment. While his claims have been widely disputed, they nonetheless contribute to the pervasive sense of unease surrounding the moon landing. leaving many to question the official narrative and the motivations behind it. The supposed deaths of several key figures involved in the Apollo program, under mysterious circumstances, have also fueled conspiracy theories. Skeptics point to these untimely deaths as evidence of a cover-up, suggesting that these individuals were silenced to protect the truth about the moon landing. While no concrete evidence supports these claims, the timing and nature of these deaths remain shrouded in suspicion, leaving room for speculation and conjecture. The official explanations, often dismissed as coincidence or fabrication, fail to fully address the concerns of those who believe that something more sinister is afoot. Despite the seemingly compelling evidence presented by skeptics, the scientific community remains steadfast in its assertion that the moon landing was a real historical event. They argue that the photographic anomalies can be explained by factors such as camera angles, lighting conditions, and the properties of lunar dust. The lack of a blast crater, they contend, is easily explained by the moon's low gravity, and the fact that the lunar module's engines were throttled back significantly during the final stages of descent. Moreover, scientists point to the vast body of physical evidence brought back from the moon, including lunar rocks, soil samples, and laser reflectors, as irrefutable proof of the landing's authenticity. These artifacts, they argue, could not have been fabricated or obtained through any other means. The laser reflectors in particular provide a tangible and verifiable link to the Apollo missions, allowing scientists to measure the distance to the moon with remarkable precision using laser beams. However, skeptics remain unconvinced, suggesting that these artifacts could have been obtained through other means, such as unmanned missions or meteorites. They argue that the scientific community, beholden to government funding and fearful of challenging the established narrative, is complicit in perpetuating the myth of the moon landing. The debate, fueled by mistrust and a lack of transparency, continues to rage, leaving us to grapple with the unsettling possibility that the truth about the moon landing may forever remain elusive. Did humanity truly conquer the final frontier, or were we deceived by an elaborate illusion? The answer, my friends, lies somewhere in the shadows, obscured by time, secrecy, and the weight of our own beliefs.